Well, you join us today at what is the end, I guess, of our phase 2 of the WSRID project. We've had an excellent open day. Over 30 people registered for the event, and we've been discussing the outcomes of the project, looking at the results that we generated, and really discussing the next steps. This is very much about the start of the overall legacy, we believe, and we hope to take this to the next stage at the end of this project. There's certainly enough interest out there to generate sort of sufficient investment, but we need to have the processes in place. We need to have the foundation sort of in place in order to attract that investment and to make it reality. It'd be a real shame now that we've done the groundwork if we don't actually get this commercially off the ground. So we're really looking forward to developing the process. You can see in the background here sort of what we believe will be the best option for on-farm dewatering of slurry. And we see this as a mobile operation going from one farm to the next, where we could visit multiple farms, dewater the slurry and carry the biomass generated from the separator to the centralized AD plant for the production of energy. So it's a really exciting development. This is technology that's quite new to Wales, has been employed in Northern Ireland over the last couple of years, and is becoming more and more popular over there. So it's a great development and the start of a journey, I believe.